Hey guys, what's up? It's middle of August, and if it's anything like, if you're feeling anything like I am, you're getting sick and tired of the summer already, and you're ready to move on to fall. So hopefully today will help you out because I've got a video for you. I've got a buddy that has a YouTube channel of his own, and he's trying to get going, trying to get it started, and he's trying to make something of it. So he asked me if I'd help him out, send him or put one of his videos that he made this last fall of a hunt that he had down in Illinois. And he asked if I would share it with you guys and just kind of send some love his way. So please check out the video. His YouTube channel is The Outdoor Fever. And I just, man, hope you like the video and go on over, support him as well, and just help him get his stuff going, man. So enjoy the video. All right, here we are. It's our last night in Illinois, second gun season. It's the fourth day. We've hunted 3 days in a row. We've seen 2 or 3 really good bucks, but haven't been able to shoot them. We've got a couple really good ones coming into this bean field like every night. So hopefully one comes out and we can get a crack at it with the 350 Legend. We're expecting to see quite a few bucks. They've been really eating these beans up the last week. There's been like 6 shooters coming out in daylight every day. So hopefully one of them makes an appearance and we can shoot one with a gun and then maybe a doe if the opportunity's right and that kind of thing. But last night, hopefully we can get one done. do?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Just wait. Wait. Oh, you didn't hit him good though, I don't think.
Watch, he's getting a nose full. Come on, stay up. Oh shit, we forgot to make. I got blood. Outstanding. Good girl. Awesome. Good girl, Jenna. Good girl.
Great girl. So we are here with Thane, Tracker John, and what?
And
Sadie? Jenna.
Jenna.
And our little buddy Thane just killed a buck. Go ahead and talk to us, Thane.
We saw him early on in the hunt, and he was kind of chasing does, and then a coyote came and chased him out of the field, and an hour later he came in and eventually gave us a shot. It wasn't a good shot at all, but Jenna found him.
Are you sitting over him right now?
Yep.
Then it was a good enough shot, wasn't it? And you are right. That little girl right there is a rock star. That was an absolute blast watching her.
Went right to him. It's my biggest buck. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Glad we got him.
Yep.